There's a Cessna pulsing in the paint jumbo, but at a slightly more angle like this instead of this way. It's more this way. So now he's turned a little more and he's almost going straight parallel with my street. He's gonna go across my backyard. I don't understand how you could change the paint jumbo line. They did the same thing for what, like 2 weeks straight? And then all of a sudden you start changing it. Now he's turned left back into the paint jumbo line. So now he's floating over the fireman's backyard. So that's the new jumbo line cover up. You just go around the back of my house and do any kind of turn or whatever. And then some of the time you hit the line and then it's all covered up.